We've known each other so long that I would say that we don't need to train together to know what we're going to do.
Currently assigned to the Demo 2 mission for SpaceX and NASA. It's a developmental program for a United States space vehicle, so you're kind of dealing with all the aspects that get this vehicle to a point where crews will fly it continuously.
We have a series of test objectives that are going to have to be accomplished, and we'll demonstrate in a very controlled fashion getting docked to the International Space Station.
To go where they went from, barely getting a rocket in launch to what they're doing now, just the pace is unreal.
We've been working together since day one and have a lot of kind of outside of flying in space experience. Doug was at my wedding in the what's it called, the bridal party.
We're assigned a space flight, and then we're assigned as close friends, and then to be able to fly the first flight of Crew Dragon together, and after being here 19 years, I certainly couldn't have planned it any better.
Gonna start again.
Cut.
You got that on tape, right?
Yeah, did you get that?
Edit that in.